Welcome to another Mafdel product bite. DFVR13BR is a high-quality brush belt from Mafdel. This brush belt is aimed at applications where there is a need to scour or influence the surface of a product. This product is particularly suitable for use in the laundry industry, for example. The belt is a 90 Shore A TPU, fitted with robust white nylon bristles that can be specified in varying heights and gauges. Although the belt is aimed at laundry applications, the belt can be used in other applications such as tray washing and conveyor belt scouring. Belt joining is a simple butt weld completed using Mafdel's high-speed MC50 iron and J60 clamp.